How to cancel your Amazon Prime 30-day free trial so you won't be charged. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon and log into your account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen after you've logged in. Simply click on three lines and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your account on top. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find your Prime membership. Click on your Prime membership. And in here, if you're subscribed, you'll find option to cancel in here. Simply click on cancel and your membership will be canceled. That's how to cancel your Amazon Prime 30-day free trial so you won't be charged. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.